Hello and good morning everyone. There will be revision of English literature today. Before moving further, let me tell you something about the exam. There will be 20 questions, 1 mark each. Be careful about spellings. If your spelling is correct, you will get 1 mark, and if wrong, then 0. Now the questions will be in the form of complete the statement and choose the correct options. Questions can be from mid of the chapter as well as from question answers. Then word meaning, exercises and complete the statements. Now the first chapter is the best Christmas present in the world. It is a touching story written by Michael Morpurgo. The narrator buys a roll-top desk from a junk shop. He finds in it a tin box. Inside the box, there was an envelope. The letter was written by English soldier Jim McPherson to his wife Connie McPherson. The letter has a touchy account of how the English soldiers and German soldiers celebrated Christmas in the battlefield. Hans Wolff, captain of German soldier, was a musician, and Jim McPherson, leader of British soldier, was a school teacher before they were soldiers. They played football. They thought that games and sports are the best ways to resolve conflicts. At the end, the narrator goes to Mrs. McPherson to hand over the letter, which was the best Christmas present for her. Now, the ant and the cricket. It is a fable. A fable means a story, often with animals as characters. It is adapted from Aesop's fable. This poem is about an ant and a cricket. It contains an idea about four-legged crickets and two-legged crickets. Four-legged cricket means normal crickets, and two-legged crickets means human being. Crickets are compared to those people who they don't think about their future and waste time enjoying and having fun all the time. The tsunami. Tsunami is a large and powerful wave caused by earthquake under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Some incidents are there from Andaman and Nicobar Island and some are from Thailand. One incident is about Tilly and her family who came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. She and her family was saved because of the geography lesson that was taught to her by her teacher. At Patanangala beach, 60 visitors were washed away along with 2 water buffaloes. Now next is geography lesson. It is written by Zulfikar Ghosh. The poet is going somewhere by an aeroplane. When the aeroplane is high in the sky, he can understand from that height about logic of geography, that valleys are populated, earth is round, the earth has more sea than land, but he is unable to understand why people on earth find causes to hate each other, why people build walls across city. Now word meanings. In MCQ, 1 word will be given and 4 meanings will be there. 1 meaning will be correct. You have to choose the correct option. Go through your exercises of honeydew also and then complete the statement. Keep learning.